Hello everyone, so if you want to connect an OTG USB drive to your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, first of all, you're to connect your drive, whether it's gonna be your USB drive or memory card, like I do have one, so connect it to your OTG adapter. And now let's enter into the charging port of our phone, so make sure that's it. Alright, now let's give our phone a few seconds to detect it. So as we see, the USB storage was added. So now let's go straight to the storage. Open up your My Files and scroll down to your USB storage. So here you can find your OTG adapter. Let's enter it. You can see all of the files here. So let's choose one. Okay, for example, let's choose this file. So to transfer it to your phone, simply give it a hold, press move, and simply select a folder. So you can choose internal storage, USB storage. You can direct this memory to your USB storage by using your phone, right? But now let's move it to the audiobooks. Press move here, press show in folder, and now it's in our internal storage. It works in other way, so simply hold on the file, press move, and choose USB storage. So for example, let's drop it somewhere here. Press move here, and it moved. Now, when you've done with your USB storage, swipe down from the very top of your screen, enable this notification, and press an unmount option. Now you can safely remove your OTG connector. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.